Hello, I'm Christina Amaral, and today's lesson is going to be on a fun, interactive presentation program called Prezi, and how you can link it into your blogs and websites at your school. I'm going to start with an example I have created using a basic template, which is also an introduction to Prezi and how it is beneficial to be used in education. Here we go. The National Standards for Technology. The national standards state students should be able to apply existing knowledge to generate new ideas and products, create original works as a means of personal or group expression, and communicate information and ideas effectively to multiply audiences using a variety of media and format. Benefits for education. It's a new fun way to present information in a new manner. It allows text, images, and videos. And teachers and students can use this to present their information. Here's some examples of what people have said about Prezi in the news. As you can see, one of the comments is that viewers can zoom in and out during the presentation and look all over the canvas. That's the one exciting thing that keeps it different from the boring PowerPoint that just moves from slide to slide. And here's an example of a video a student made about the solar system. I'm only going to play a little bit just so you get an idea of how a student can utilize it for your class.
Our solar system is big. Our solar system is 13.7 billion years old. There might be aliens somewhere in the universe. The sun. The sun is a star. It is 150,000 kilometers from Earth. It is extremely hot.
This student has done a very good job in utilizing the zooming in and out, also using images and text in an appropriate manner. Now I'm going to show you how to present a new Prezi. Go to click New Prezi, and you're going to create a title and a description for your presentation. So our title today will be on plants, and we will put in the description its functions and cycles that are associated with plants. And now you will hit New Prezi. Prezi has come up with new templates. So while this is loading, I'm going to tell you about the templates. You have a blank template. You have ones for resumes, group projects, which would be great for classroom participation. Get a group together and they can all work on it. As you can see, it's right here under our project. If a student is doing a business pitch to the business teacher, she can or he can use this business pitch. You can even do a resume on it. But today, just for an introduction to Prezi and to get you acquainted with just the basics, I'm going to use a blank one. And then you're going to hit the Start Editing. Now this is your canvas. You can zoom in and out on the right hand side, going in, zooming out. And in order to start, you literally click anywhere you want to on your canvas. So I'm going to click right here, and this is where I'm going to put my title. Now, as you can see, it is a basic black font, but you can change the style of it and even the color. And if you want to change a color just from black or red, you go into the color box, and I'm going to pick a purple blue. So you need to make sure that you've highlighted it and select the color. Then you hit the OK button. Depending on how big you want your title, you're going to click on the title, and now you're going to have your wheel. Your wheel, you have your hand, which moves it anywhere you want. Then you have your option to make it bigger or smaller using the zoom in and zoom out. So we're going to make it a little bit bigger. And then the dial on the side allows you to turn it in circles, so it makes it a little bit more fun and an easier way to present some information. Now, in order to add, say you want to add an image or a video, you're going to go up to the left-hand side where you see Insert. And the great thing about Prezi is that it is now linked up with Google. So you can go to Image and type in what you want to learn about from the web, or you can select one from your computer like you have the option here. But since I don't have one readily available, I'm going to go to the web and I'm going to scan what type of images Google has to offer when I type in plants or plant. Now you can see there's plenty that I can choose from, and all you have to do is scroll up and down to pick which one you want. And I'm going to pick this pretty purple one, and it's going to load just so you can see the full image, and it's going to take a few minutes to load these sometimes. Now that you've selected it, you press OK. It's now going to disappear and come back as a loaded image on your canvas. Now you obviously don't want your text to be hidden by your picture, so you're going to click on your picture and move it down. And since this picture looks to be sideways, you might want to adjust it by turning the wheel and rotating it, and then moving it away from your title. So there you go. You've taken your title, plants, and now you've added a picture. Now once you have your picture, you can click anywhere and drag the canvas. And if you wanted to put some information about this particular picture, you would just click anywhere around the picture and I'm just going to keep it very basic, but just to show you what I'm talking about, purple plants. Now I don't want red, I want to stay with my theme with purple, so I'm going to highlight my information, go up into my color box, and select the same purple, and hit OK. Now we're going to zoom out, and I'm going to show you how to create the different colors of your titles and your background. So we're going to go over here to the left to colors and fonts. And Prezi has already got a couple themes, so if you wanted to look at the different colors they have to offer, you can. But the best thing is now they offer a theme wizard. So my theme is already pink or purple. So if I want to keep going with our purple, I'm going to maybe change the background color. They have this pale purple, so I'm going to go there, and it shows you on your box above in here that that's your color, and then you're going to hit next. Now my titles are already purple, so I'm going to make sure that my title stays purple. And if you look over here at title 2, I can make it purple as well. And then the information in the box where it said purple plants, we still want it to be purple as well, so make sure that that is clicked purple. Then we're going to hit the next button. Now I can add different frames and bracket frames. We haven't done that, but when I do get to that stage, I do want them to continue with my purple theme or my pink theme. So I'm going to hit pink for the bracket and pink for a circle if I decide to use one. The path I want to be pink, and a marker I want to be pink. So from there, you're going to click Done. And now you can see your presentation is in purple. Your title is purple and your information is purple. Now I'm going to show you how to put a frame around your information. So we need to zoom into our information and make sure you drag your canvas so you're in the right spot. And you're going up to the left-hand side and clicking Frame. You have bracket frames, circle, and rectangular frames. I'm going to pick a purple frame, and I'm going to take a circle frame, and you just do it right around your information. And now I've got my pink frame, which I already chose the color when I went into my theme. But maybe I don't want it to be so close to my image, so I'm going to click on it and move my information, and then click your frame and move your frame with it. So there you go. Now you have a frame around your information. So if you would like to see the path and how it looks now that you have a frame, you're going to go to Show, and you're going to start with your plants, to your information now that it's in its pretty pink frame, to your image, and back to your plants. Now this is a very basic production of what a Prezi presentation can do. Now I'm going to show you how to save your presentation. You're going to go up to the top, hit Save, and you're going to hit Exit. Now I'm going to show you how you can link your Prezi presentation to your website. I already have my blogger pulled up on another tab, so I'm going to go down. You see the share button. You can share it on Facebook and Twitter. You click the share button. And now I want to just copy the link, so I'm going to highlight it, copy it, exit out, and go up to the top. I'm going to go to my blogger. I've already pulled it up and I'm in the edit area. Now in your blog or on your website, you're going to find a place where you can add a link. Make sure where you have your cursors where you're going to insert that link. So I'm going to go down to the bottom, make some space in between my logo and my information, and insert a link. Now all I need to do is copy and paste. So I'm going to copy it and hit OK. Now you see that my link is linked up to my Prezi. You're going to click out, and then you're going to publish your post. Now you're going to view your post. Scroll down, and there you see is the link to my information. Then you're going to click on it. And now I'm right back to the beginning of my Prezi presentation, and the next person that would like to view it, all they have to do is hit the play button, and it takes you through my presentation on plants. So now that you have your information on your Prezi and you have been shown how to link it, I hope that you can take this basic information and explore Prezi with your students. Now I hope you take this information shared and you have a great time with your students and explore as much as you possibly can with them and encourage them to think outside the box. Using the blank templates lets them have so much freedom in exploring what they can do for any class, whether it be science, English, social studies. It's a great tool, and I highly encourage you to support your students when they want to use this program. Thank you so much for your time. Enjoy Prezi, and if you have any questions, you can contact me at CAMARAL18@yahoo.com, and I'll be more than happy to set up a time if you need extra information on Prezi and a tutorial. Have a good one.